back to the Sports Republic and cricket guys are back. Vignesh Rajgopal, hello. Shashank Chaudhary is here. जो पुराने जो हमारे पिछले
पुराने
वाले
इतनी जल्दी पुराने बना दिया मेरे को।
नहीं यार, वो पिछले वाले में तू आया नहीं था ना, बट
हाँ तो एक ही मैंने आया वो पुराना। हाँ
since
यार
it's controversy and it's big news, तो शशांक को आना बनता था, स्पेशली कंट्रोवर्सीज अराउंड विराट कोहली। सो आज के दो बड़े न्यूज, उसमें से सबसे बड़ी न्यूज, विराट कोहली इज नो लॉन्गर कैप्टन फॉर टीम इंडिया। बिग न्यूज, बहुत दिनों से, बहुत सालों से थे, पिछले कुछ सालों से हम भी काफी बात कर रहे थे कि होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, लेकिन फाइनली आज बीसीसीआई ने डिसीजन ले लिया गोइंग फॉरवर्ड। मतलब काफी उसके बारे में भी सवाल है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट एज वेल। गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अभी रोहित शर्मा कैप्टन होंगे फॉर व्हाइट बॉल क्रिकेट। सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट एनी डिस्कशन, उसके पहले हम विराट कोहली के कैप्टनसी के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं, रिकॉर्ड्स के बारे में। 95 मैचेस खेले, 65 जीते, 68 का विनिंग परसेंटेज है, 27 मैचेस आ रहे हैं, 5449 रन्स ही स्कोर्ड एंड विद एन एवरेज ऑफ 72.65, मतलब
21 सेंचुरीज।
21 सेंचुरी, आई मीन
एज अ कैप्टन,
एज अ कैप्टन कभी बैट्समैन पे तो असर नहीं हुआ, बट डेफिनेटली there were some questions on his captaincy, so let's talk about that. First thoughts, let's go to शशांक, सीधे सबसे पहले
क्या आई डोंट नो भाई, आई डोंट नो, वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड। एकदम से ऐसी ये न्यूज आई है और बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग न्यूज है यार। यू डोंट नो बिकॉज अभी जब T20 से व्हेन ही क्विट, he said that I'll remain captain in the longer format of the game and the ODIs as well. एंड जैसे T20 पे उसने खुद से अनाउंस किया था, यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि अगर ODI में भी अगर इफ ही वाज टू स्टेप डाउन एज द कैप्टन, ही वुड अनाउंस इट हिमसेल्फ। But this coming from BCCI, it seems like, I don't know, we should not be speculating as of yet, but it seems like that they have sacked Virat Kohli as the ODI captain, which is, again, you read out his record is great. अगर तीन देख सकते हैं, I think विराट कोहली की ODI captaincy can divide into three parts: the good, bad, and the ugly. The good, of course, the record that you read out, 68% win percentage है उसका. Under his captaincy, India has won 15 series, losing 4, and won 8 of the 9 bilateral series that have played at home under him. They've won. So that is a staggering record. I mean, हम expect करते हैं कि Indian team इतनी अच्छी हो गई है, the record would be like this. The ugly would be, I guess, probably, I think I'll go to the bad first. The bad is probably, his record in multinational tournaments. We have failed in the ICC Champions Trophy. Final में हम हारे थे 2017 में under Virat Kohli. Then 19 में भी हारे हम under Virat Kohli. 19 में तो I think 19 was a bigger loss because वो तो 17 वाला was a one-off innings by Fakhar Zaman that lost us the game probably. But 19 में it was कि यार सेमीज में पहुंच गए हो, सबको मतलब द बेस्ट टीम्स गॉट, एंड उन चार में से कोई विनर हुआ था एंड यू लॉस्ट आउट ऑन द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, बेसिकली यू कैन से दैट. तो यार थोड़ा सा ये बैड उसका था. और अगली पे जाओ तो आई कैन नॉट स्टिल डिफेंड विजय शंकर यार. आई डोंट नो, नोबडी कैन डिफेंड. आई हैव टू blame Virat Kohli, Ravi Shastri equally for that, taking Vijay Shankar, dropping Ambati Rayudu, which eventually cost us that 2019 World Cup ka semi-finals. So, but on an average, I'm not sure. I'm very conflicted in कि मतलब मेरे को विराट की, me personally did not like his T20 captaincy because there are a lot of quick changes that you have to make. But 50 over game is a more elongated form of the game. I don't know. Maybe I think मेरे को इस concept से I like this concept कि white ball और red ball का completely अलग setup होना चाहिए जैसे इंग्लैंड ने किया है. Or I completely agree to that, but I don't know. Rohit Sharma has never captained a 50 overs, permanently has never captained a 50 over side. Rohit Mumbai Indians के लिए T20 captain किया है, but I'm very confused with this. Only good thing that comes out of this is Virat Kohli के shoulders में और ज़्यादा pressure कम हुआ है, भार कम हुआ है. As a batsman, he'll just become better and better again. So that's the positive.
शशांक talked about ugly as well, और मेरे को ऐसे पर्सनली लगता है कि 2021 ये जो T20 वर्ल्ड कप था, it was the उसके पूरे.
But we're talking about ODI, no?
Yeah, but ODI white ball cricket
I'm not talking about
Right.
but I was just specifically talking about
Right.
ODI ka good, bad and ugly. Yeah.
So Vignesh, what do you think? Shashank already, not speculated, but yeah, given some hint के मतलब विराट कोहली ने खुद से छोड़ना चाहिए था ये कैप्टनसी. That's what you expect from विराट कोहली, or from the management itself as well. But मेरे हिसाब से बीसीसीआई किसी की सगी नहीं होती. और we are getting some news as well कि
Yeah,
विराट
why?
कोहली.
Especially you two Virat Kohli fans need to have strong opinions about this, I
Yeah.
guess.
That's what I was coming to. So yeah, Vignesh, just before you say कि एक न्यूज है जहां पर ऐसा बताया गया कि BCCI gave 48 hours to Virat Kohli, and on the 49th hour they just बोल दिया कि given going forward
Don't listen
Rohit
to
Sharma.
all this, bro. Don't listen
Yeah,
to
I
all
mean,
this.
just
But yeah,
these are some PTI and some reputed. That's why we need to
there is
discuss this.
nothing reputed these days. But yeah, we can go on with the
Yeah,
rumors.
Vignesh.
So this takes me back in time. जब last time captaincy को लेके confusion था और मतलब when the board was forced to take such decisions was during the Dravid Ganguly Chappell wala era, and then you call it coincidence, but this should not have happened यार. जैसे शशांक ने बोला, मतलब the burden of captaincy is removed and the player is liberated. But when you demote someone from captaincy and a player of Virat Kohli stature and expect him to जो भी हमने देखा है, heard about the Kohli Rohit equation, and for him to come back strong, I don't think how it could work out. And in terms of numbers that you read, it is insane यार. मतलब the first captain to take India to Australia, New Zealand, home की तो हम बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. Whatever be the format, I don't think मतलब there is hardly any memory of us losing at home. But what we as fans always aspired was winning overseas, right? No matter what the format, for us to be strong overseas. And thanks to Virat Kohli and his mindset, we could do that. And शायद दो ICC tournaments में ये decide कर देना कि the man is not good enough. Maybe a Kohli fan speaking here, but even in the cricketing sense, I don't think it's fair. Dhoni 2015 में we lost. We lost under his captaincy. Champions Trophy 2009 में हम हारे थे. भले हम 2013 में बाद में जाके जीते थे. But there are losses as well. But since we were so deprived of ICC trophies, हमारी धोनी की contribution is right up there, and that is rightfully so. But when it comes to Virat Kohli, did we give him a fair run? With मतलब हम confuse हो गए थे. IPL बहुत सारी आ रही हैं एक दूसरे कप्तान से, but यहाँ पे इंडिया के कोहली के अंडर कुछ आ नहीं रहे. We confuse both of them. And IPL is not Indian cricket, right? IPL में Indian cricket में there is not who's who of coaching staff. सारे world में है, but Mumbai Indians had the who's of who. जबकि player में पर्स है, but coaching staff में there is no restrictions. You could have everyone, and basically Jayawardene, Kumble, Ponding could have run the show possibly. But Rohit Sharma has that, but the way things have panned out, it should not have been the way. Considering the शायद जब 2099-98 में से होता था तभी समझ में भी आती थी कि there was not enough professionalism in BCCI. But at this point of time, to such things happen to such big a player, मतलब just another thing, जैसे शाहरुख खान के बेटे को उन्होंने अरेस्ट किया था, and you think if powerful people like with this, BCCI told him that you are no longer the most powerful in Indian cricket.
Yeah. I'm just asking the question. So, do you think Virat Kohli, again, I'm coming back to where we started, कि this is Virat Kohli's call? Do you think, because I have a feeling कि maybe this is done by BCCI in the sense कि पहले ही decide हो गया था कि white ball cricket से entirely he'll go and Rohit Sharma will take over, and that is just because of pressure. Virat Kohli has handled a lot of pressure, and not only he has not only cricketing commitments but commercial commitments and everything. And I don't know, that's his decision, whatever he wants to decide. And maybe just to Virat Kohli के इतने सारे fans है, just to ease that decision in, they announced it in two separate intervals, like T20 का पहले announce किया, ODI का बाद में announce किया. I'm just thinking loud. I don't know, because this doesn't make any sense.
This doesn't
make any sense. कि आपने ODI series खेली भी नहीं है उसके बाद.
Exactly.
अगर आपने कहा तो कोई खेली है उसमें जज करे कैप्टेंसी को और उसके बाद हटाओ तो it makes sense. Otherwise you should remove him after the last ODI series भी था.
Yeah.
So it is again BCCI at its brilliant best. And जो हमने देखा है BCCI को starting, I don't know. You guys have anything to say? Yeah.
मतलब I'm not really sad because because he's not a captain anymore. And the way it happened,
Exactly.
it's little bit bothering.
True.
क्योंकि
True.
यार numbers तो खैर छोड़ दो. It's just that कि MSD के बाद कोई और था नहीं वहां पर. Like you can't really talk about Rohit Sharma in 2014-15 because he was not really that consistent उस टाइम पर भी. And India had that वो कि हम एक ही कैप्टन के साथ जाएंगे across format and everything.
That was stupid anyway to start
Yeah,
off
that was
from.
stupid anyway. But MSD believed in it, and MSD left the ODI captaincy.
What is MSD in BC से है क्या? अभी MSD
No. What I'm
believed in
saying
it
is,
क्या होता है मतलब exactly? Yeah.
No, but Rohit भी यार, Rohit was not really very consistent across. बाहर जाकर भी खेलना, यहाँ पर भी खेलना, he was not really.
I am saying कि पहले से ही उन लोगों को white ball, red ball को अलग करना चाहिए
Yeah,
था.
I mean, yeah,
now अभी
you can talk about MSD's red ball captaincy as well here.
मैं exactly वही बोल रहा हूँ. Exactly वही बोल रहा हूँ. तभी he shouldn't have been the red ball captain when he was the white ball captain, because it was very evident he was a special white ball captain and not so great a red ball captain.
Not so great.
MSD himself. So and यार दोनों game अलग है और अब तो दोनों के players अलग है मतलब the players also have to be different. They have to be. अब आप देख रहे हो कि T20 में कैसे dismissals होते हैं, 3.5-4 दिन में मैच खत्म होते हैं, तो you have to have a different skill set to play test cricket and a different skill set to play white ball cricket यार. अभी वैसा नहीं रहा है कि टेस्ट और ODI में easily transition हो जाता है. ODI test T20 has taken cricket into a completely different direction where different skills are required, where Harshal Patel can be conventionally not the greatest bowler in the world. I mean, अगर 80s में आप हर्षल पटेल को बोलते तो he would be a net bowler for a Ranji team probably. But अभी के टाइम पे he is a very valued asset in terms of T20 bowling because वो facets अलग हैं, that whole approach is different for the game. So they should have done it early, and I completely agree with you. और ये हमने पहली बार नहीं देखा है भाई इंडियन क्रिकेट के साथ. तो सहवाग और ये लोग रोते थे, हरभजन, हम लोग को अच्छा सेंड ऑफ नहीं मिला है, तो हमने पहली बार थोड़ी देखा है ये सब.
पहली बार नहीं देखा है. और अगेन लेजेंड, वो भी लेजेंड से. विराट himself is a legend. लेकिन
मेरी प्रॉब्लम इस पूरे हैंडलिंग से क्या है पता है? You have Saurav Ganguly as the BCCI president, you have Rahul Dravid as the head coach, you have Lakshman at the NCA, and then these sort of things happen. तो फिर मतलब क्या? What is the difference between bureaucrats running the show? I guess still running the show. And
they are running the show. They are running the show. It's basically these guys, and I don't want to say it, but it's true. They are acting like puppets. As simple as that. I mean, we have seen how कैसे हुआ था IPL जब वो हुआ था, then इंग्लैंड की सीरीज को कैसे करके IPL करवाया गया था. Any cricketer would have not allowed that to happen. I don't believe Ganguly would have allowed that to happen, but Ganguly has to show a brave face. He has to show, he right now is the leader of the Indian cricket scene, if you can say, he's the face of that. But he has to stay unified. You cannot, show a lada, different front out in the public as well. But I don't know, that's a problem as well. That is a problem that Indian cricket has always had, कि बहुत ही closed एक circuit रहा है, वो एक अंदर में, and
a Ganguly fan within me, just like not allowing, कि वो puppets. But it is true, like somewhere it is true कि कुछ decisions लिए जाते हैं जिसका कोई rational नहीं होता है, and everyone has to follow it, and that's what is happening today as well. So overall, the whole Virat saga is just about not giving a proper send off. I don't know. There's not even a single tweet from Virat Kohli even after जब बोल दिया गया है BCCI की तरफ से. There's no tweet at all. There's no message from Virat. There's no message from Rohit himself as well. It's not just getting it.
भाई मेरे को तो ये sorry Vignesh,
मुझे सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन है कि how will Rahul Dravid handle this entire equation?
Exactly. That was my next question. And like Shashank keeps on talking about, Indian cricket is not about obviously ये level पे आके तुमको coaching तो करना ही नहीं है. किसी को cover drive, विराट कोहली को जाके cover drive तो सीखना नहीं. It's all about people management and everything. And now it becomes a task because now you have a Rohit Sharma as a captain, and ये inside edge season 3 वाला season series types थोड़ा सा हो गया.
ये सब गंदी बातें मत कर इस शो में. ये इनसाइडर्स और ये सब घटिया शोज की बातें मत किया करो यहाँ पे प्लीज.
बहुत घटिया
प्लीज. देखा भी नहीं है तो I don't know भाई. I mean, of course it's going to be tough for Dravid, but I think Dravid is a soldier. Dravid is not really I don't know, bro. हाँ मतलब द्रविड़ और विराट भी ऐसा बंदा नहीं है. I think he won't create a ruckus like that. I am
That's
pretty sure विराट is not like that. जो भी विराट है उसकी deficiencies है, जो मैंने भी उसको whatever he gets a little overawed by the equation sometime occasion sometime थोड़ा सा he's an excited chap यार, वो जो भी है, but विराट दिल का अच्छा बंदा है. और मेरे को नहीं लगता
विराट
विराट
to see as a cap like under रोहित शर्मा captaincy fielding में वो pumped up इधर उधर
रहेगा ब्रो.
वो तो रहेगा
वो रहेगा वो. और अभी भी एक जो विराट कैम होता था ना, विराट के ऊपर एक कैमरा रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज ही इज दैट कैरेक्टर, ही इज दैट कैरेक्टर. Yeah, he is that character, bro. He is that character. That is not going to change. That is not Virat Kohli was doing that because he was the captain. He was doing that before he was the captain as well. जब उसने मिडिल फिंगर दिखाई दिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, he's always been like that. वो तो नहीं करेगा. He's probably mature and he said that himself कि अब मैं वो सब है, I look back that and I regret what I did. But I don't think Virat is that kind of character कि ये सब है. I think he will
sulk,
yeah, he will sulk like that. But I think that
hurt
Virat hurt nahi, it's not the same feelings nahi hongi towards Rohit Sharma, na ki pehle thi, I think. But this is going to sting a little for Virat Kohli, and acha, let it sting. He'll take it out from his bat,
hopefully too much Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, and it's gonna keep on happening, I guess, near future. But I personally
and so let's not let's not in this हम लोग को ये भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि रोहित शर्मा is also a legend for Indian cricket. तो विराट को वो करने के लिए हमका ये मतलब नहीं है कि रोहित को नीचे करो, but the whole situation is ugly.
The whole situation, no, we are just questioning BCCI here. There is no Virat versus Rohit.
Yeah, BCCI तो I don't like them anyway, but
because हम इसके पहले भी कैप्टनसी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि एक आध साल पहले ऑलरेडी रोहित शर्मा के पास कैप्टनसी आ जानी थी. बट अगेन 2023 के मतलब वर्ल्ड कप के पहले 2022 का वर्ल्ड कप है, उसके पहले इट्स नाउ रोहित शर्मा एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. रोहित शर्मा himself is a legend और हर जगह जो कंसिस्टेंसी की बात आती थी पहले, अब वो नहीं आती है. रोहित शर्मा इज अ परफॉर्मर, अ मैच विनर, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. हमने एमआई के साथ देखा है वैसे तो.
T20 वर्ल्ड कप में नहीं देखा बस. एनीवे
इसमें
T20 वर्ल्ड कप
में नहीं यार, कोई भी नहीं किया, छोड़ो क्या ही जख्म को मन नहीं खोलते. So yeah guys, that was that for Virat Kohli versus BCCI, or not versus, but yeah, Virat Kohli's captaincy.
Yeah, versus India versus BCCI होना चाहिए.
India versus BCCI. Okay, that can be our thumbnail. Yeah, must. India versus BCCI. Must. सही है.
Pathetic organization taking stupid decisions. All decisions are money making decisions, commercial decisions. Cricketing decisions में zero है ये लोग. Zero.
Cricketing decisions.
There, I've said it.
कुछ logic नहीं होता, कभी भी कुछ भी कर देंगे.
Cricketing decisions
for all it's worth, yaar, for all it's worth, matlab we have been heaping praises about the India A program, how IPL has brought talent in. For all it's worth,
yeah, it's
these
great.
Basic decisions jahan pe humans involved hain, and matlab who will drive the sport, jahan pe ye backseat le leta hai, then it counts for nothing. Yeah,
100%, 100%. These guys have served the nation so well, and BCCI is just a horrible organization like that. Yeah. But I don't know. Do you think विराट कोहली के पटाखे फोड़ने वाले ट्वीट से ये हुआ है?
नहीं, वो तो 2012 में ट्वीट किया था यार बंदे ने. उसके बाद में सिर्फ उसको पकड़ के रखा है उस चीज को. बाकी तो सारी बातें होती रहती है. मतलब Twitter is different.
I don't know. मेरे को हमेशा हर जगह पॉलिटिक्स दिखती है, so I don't know.
And especially when there are politicians involved somewhere. Yes. Chacha, mama, papa, kaka,
beta.
Yeah, on that note guys, thank you so much for this conversation. Vignesh, thank you so much. Shashank, अगर आप लोगों को कुछ ड्रेसिंग रूम के अंदर की खबरें पता है तो please let us know in the comment section. if you guys have liked the video, please hit the like button और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को. बिल्कुल फ्री है, नीचे एकदम, मतलब कोई रीजन नहीं है उस चीज के लिए कि आप वो बटन ना दबाएं. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, डू सपोर्ट आवर चैनल, एंड वी विल कम अप विद a lot of stuff. हम एशेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, F1 के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, हम NBA के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक any other channel. It's the Sports Republic, and we are gonna behave like one. Will include all the sports. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.